Innovative and high performance, our AC-210 delivers an impressive light output of 210 lux, ensuring exceptional visibility on every ride. The beam measures 10.5 meters wide, providing a broad and clear path ahead in all lighting conditions. With a range of up to 300 meters, it allows you to see far into the distance for maximum safety. Featuring the advanced Gen 4 MTI Plus optical system, the lamp offers dual beam capability including precise high and low beam modes. When it comes to mounting flexibility, the AC-210 supports fork, stem, or handlebar installation options. Built with robust IP56 protection, it stands firm against high-pressure water and dust ingress in any weather. Additional features include a durable aluminum housing, a two-piece control switch for easy high-beam operation, compliance with the KMark and ISO 6742 standards, and suitability for 25 km/h e-bikes and EPAC. Our AC-210 is available in 3 configurations and mounting packages. On the left you can see our S package with the handlebar mount accessories. The D version in the middle is our standard package with our downward-facing pins. For example, you could mount this one on the fork. And on the right-hand side is the U version with our standard light package for the stem front. The mounting videos for each kind is on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.